Hello beautiful people, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to unbox the self-care box Uplifting and Energize from the Next Beauty. This new beauty box is retailed for £35 and Next Beauty claims that worth over £137. The box is described as a haul of hard-working beauty heroes that have been designed to rejuvenate and revitalize you for the week ahead. Take the time to indulge yourself and your senses in this gorgeous box of goodness and feel the rewards instantly. Okay guys, the box is here. Now let's find out the treats that are waiting inside. The first product I took out is from the brand Dermalogica, Sunlight Tinted Leg Cream. The leg finisher of your dreams, Sunlight is the ultimate no-commitment tan infused with caffeine, butcher's broom and aloe vera. This light reflective wash-off cream transforms dry, lackluster skin into smooth, glowing skin, so you'll never have to have a bad experience with tan again. The second product from the beauty box is from a brand that I like and is the product that I want to try, is the Vita C Glycolic Brightening Serum from Murad. Powered by glycolic acid and vitamin C, Murad's brightening serum is designed to minimize the appearance of dark spots for a brighter, healthier looking complexion. Very happy with this product, will go straight to the bathroom, especially that my face serum is done, so it comes exactly on time. Product number 3 is from the brand ENERGISE Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. This face cleanser removes makeup and daily impurities to reveal a healthy, fresh-faced glow. Infused with mango seeds, fermented pumpkins, cherry and rice water, simply apply to a cotton pad and wipe gently over your face before rinsing off with warm water. May be used in 3 different ways: as a cleanser, as a makeup remover, or as a nourishing face mask. Product number 4 is from Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. Achieve a brighter, smoother complexion with this award-winning exfoliating powder by Dermalogica. Ideal for all skin conditions, apply small amount into your hands and add water to create a foam. Then apply to your face before rinsing with warm water. And this is a great product from Dermalogica. It leaves the skin smooth and clean. Dermalogica claims that this product is gentle enough to be used daily, but in my opinion I think it's better to use it any other day. Product number 5 is a scented candle from Neom Organics London, Happiness Scented Candle. Create your own version of happiness with Neom Organics London. Expertly blended with 7 essential oils, including white neroli, woody mimosa and zingy lemon, this mood-lifting fragrance is designed to help you feel positive. Well guys, you know my opinion about Neom Organics London scents. The candle smells nice, but I cannot say that this scent will make me feel happy. The last product from the beauty box is from Oskia London Renaissance Mask Brightening and Resurfacing Mask. Experience a spa in a jar with the Oskia Renaissance Mask, a creamy balm that minimizes the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles. With ingredients such as papaya, lemon, grape and passion fruit, this rejuvenating mask gently exfoliates and cleanses the skin. Okay beautiful people, these were the products from the self-care uplifting and energized beauty box from the Next Beauty. What do you think about this beauty box? Do you like it? Would you buy it? In my opinion, it's a nice beauty box. I like the selection of products. Well, the Dermalogica Tinted Leg Cream, I cannot say that is my favorite product. But you know, all beauty boxes has at least one product which you are not excited about it. Let me know what do you think about this beauty box in the comment section below this video. And this is everything for today. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!